Today's video, we're going to show you how we set up our deer feeder on our future homestead.
Walking tightrope, say the lightning, like how you I would swim across the ocean to hold on to you. I don't know where you've been, so right out of my head. A dream, swear you're made for me.
There's something in the moments that we share, and I cannot deny it. I'm holding on to something rare, and I will never let go. I will never let go. We are breaking all the rules. Love is uncontrollable, and I hope that it will never end. Colors of the world dripping off this boy and girl. Let the others know we are a masterpiece in the making. We are a masterpiece in the making. Throw us in the darkness if you dare, and we will hunt the light out. Illuminate beyond compare. There's fire in the passion, yeah. We are breaking all the rules. Love is uncontrollable, and I hope that it will never end. Colors of the world dripping off this boy and girl. Let the others know we are a masterpiece in the making.
Okay, so in today's video, we got something a little different. We have started to set up our home base, so to speak, and eventually where we'll have our home down the road in a couple years. So a lot of you haven't seen any of this yet, even though we've been taking video. This is the property up here. Over there, that's my brother and sister-in-law's house, way over there somewhere. And then our house is eventually going to be in there by that transformer. And then this is our view. So we had the woods cleared out, and we put in an RV pad here. So we got the woods cleared out, forestry mulched out, cleared out a little bit, some of the woods anyway, a little portion of it. We own way down in there and way back there, a total of 10 acres. But what we're going to do today is we're going to set up something I just got, and it's right here. This is a Moultrie Pro 2 deer feeder. So we're going to put that together, and we got the motor here. This is a varmint guard that keeps the squirrels and the raccoons from eating the stuff. 6-volt battery, stake kit, and these are the parts. And over there is some deer corn. So let me first say that I don't hunt anymore. This is only set up to so we can view the deer and that kind of thing. They come up here, they're up here all the time. We just want a safe spot for them where we can take a look at them and watch them, and that's it. So we're not baiting or doing anything like that, just so we're clear. I used to hunt when I was a kid, but I don't do it any longer. So that's that. So we're gonna get her put together, and then we'll get her set up out there, and we'll see how that goes. Press the program button until the current day screen appears. Press left or right to select the current day. Man, I smell that apple. That protein stuff. Alright, so there you have it. It wasn't too bad to put together. There was a couple aggravating moments, I will say. One had to do with these clips. Another had to do with programming it. I didn't really read the directions, so I was just trying to figure it out, winging it. So we did stake it to the ground here, which you can see these little stakes right here by my foot. And we got the lid on her. So we'll see how it goes. That's the property. There's the mountains over there. So we'll see how it goes and we'll let you know.
We hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, you know what to do. Click subscribe, give us a thumbs up, check out the super thanks down below, and we'll see you in our next video.